Midco Sales has a new Manac combo drop deck trailer available at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This drop deck measures 53 feet long and 102 inches wide. It has an apatong plank floor with aluminum extrusions. Underneath, you'll find aluminum cross members and a coil reinforcement package supporting steel coils up to 40,000 pounds. This trailer has polished aluminum outer wheels and an air ride suspension system with a rear sliding axle. Sliding winch tracks on both sides provide versatile cargo control configurations. An aluminum toolbox is mounted on the driver's side. Visit midcosales.com for the full specs on this Manac drop deck trailer.